Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips. And here our poster asked how to make a silhouette, and I'm assuming of a person. So we took this picture, and the most important thing is that you have to cut out the person's image. And you have to carefully use the polygon tool, or you might be able to use the magic tool if the background is solid. In this case, I just carefully cut out this image, and you can see how I cut out the person from the background. So once you have the person cut out, all you got to do is right click, go to Edit Layer Style, and go to Stroke. Make sure that you choose Inside right here, and that this is black, chosen black color. See the size here? Watch what happens to the picture as I make the size bigger. It just covers the whole picture. And there you go. You have yourself a completely silhouette of the person or object that you're working with. That's it for this tutorial. Remember, it's brought to you by the Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials group. Visit us and check us out there. All right, this is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.